And again today, I'll be taking us through hidden divergence on MT4 mobile, okay? And I'll be using gold as my case study. This is a live session, okay? And my hidden divergence will be hinged on three main things. One, I'll be introducing the 200 simple moving average, which is what I have here. Then I also introduced my stochastic, and my adjustment of the period was simply 28, 3 and 3. Okay. Then the third thing is I'm going to ensure that I determine the trend of the market before I go into that trade. So what the 200 MA is doing for me is that it's helping me establish the trend, the predominant trend. In this case, because my price is below 200 and has been for a while, it is a descending trend. It's a downtrend, okay? So I've established that. Now the second thing is I would establish the point at which I want to take my trade and ascertain if it had been a previous point of support or resistance. So currently we're in a downtrend here, and looking back I can establish that it had been a point of support previously, and now it's showing that it's supposed to be a resistance point. Okay. Secondly, I would adjudge with my stochastic, and my stochastic is telling me it's in an overbought region, yeah, telling me to sell. But beyond that, the main thing, which as I said earlier, is to show hidden divergence, is me introducing my trend line to see what the oscillator is saying vis-a-vis the price. So I'll bring in my trend line. Yes, so bringing in my trend line on price, it's descending, yeah. So let's see what it's saying on the oscillator itself. Then okay, I need to move this a little. Sorry, let's cancel that and redraw it. I actually want to see what the trend is saying from this point to this point. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, so we see that the price is descending, the oscillator is more or less there. So this is my confirmation to enter this trade. Now the second question is, so if I'm entering this trade, how do I determine my take profit and my stop loss? I will simply zoom out and check previous point of confluence where I had many wicks. I'm going to go for 88.2. Now 88.2 from, let's say the trend started at 95 to 88.2, that is 95 to, that's about 8 to 9ish, yeah. 95 to 88 will be like 7 8. So that's, I'm taking 8 points, then half of it will be my stop loss. So that's 95 plus 5, about 1700. So let's enter this trade now. Our take profit, as I said, will be 1688, while our stop loss will be 1700. Okay, let's see how it pans out. All right, so that's for this trade. Truth is, we could have even gone further with our take profit, but this is gold. It's always very volatile, so I'd rather be modest than be on the whiplash. So here are the results of our hidden divergence strategy. Okay, so the trades were profitable. Thank you.